How to fix up a blue screen in your desktop. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue, as it might be caused by a temporary glitch. Check for loose connections. Ensure that all cables, hardware components, and peripherals are properly connected to your computer. Update drivers. Outdated or incompatible drivers can cause a blue screen error. Update your device drivers, especially graphic cards and chipset drivers, to the latest versions. Run Windows updates. Make sure your operating system is up to date by installing the latest Windows updates, as these updates often include bug fixes and patches for known issues. Use System Restore. If the blue screen error started occurring after a recent software installation or configuration change, you can use System Restore to revert your system to a previous stable state. Also, you can check for malware, check hardware components such as RAM or hard drive issues, remove recently installed software. Also, check for overheating. Clean any dust from your computer's vents and fans, and ensure that your computer is not overheating, as high temperatures can cause hardware malfunctions, leading to the blue screen error. If some of these steps may be hard for you, or none of these resolve the blue screen error, contact us.